Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a delicious crab cake scampi. To begin, we'll start by making the crab cakes first. So here I have some lump crab meat and some snow crab legs meat. I also have some mayonnaise, panko breadcrumbs, Dijon mustard, 1 egg, Worcestershire sauce, red and green bell peppers, parsley, I have onions, and for my seasonings I'll be using some complete seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. So what we'll do here is add all our ingredients to a bowl except the crab meat. We will mix until it is well combined. Now I like using bell peppers, onions, and parsley in my crab cakes, but it's totally optional. If you don't like that, you can leave it out. Lastly, we will add our breadcrumbs and we will gently fold our crab meat in. We don't want to break it up too much, so just be gentle with this step. And we'll fold it in until it's well combined. Then we'll go ahead and start making our crab patties. So here I went ahead and prepped a baking tray with some parchment paper, and this is what we will be placing our crab cakes on. So now we'll go ahead and assemble our crab cakes. You want to make them in the size that you desire. I like a nice chunky crab cake, especially for this recipe, so I will be doing them a bit big in size, but feel free to do it the way you like. We'll now place this in a 425-degree oven for about 17 minutes. The last 3 minutes, set your oven on boil and allow them to become nice and golden brown. Once they're done, this is how they should be looking. Nice and yummy. This is absolutely amazing, guys. This is one of the best crab cakes you will ever try. Trust me. Now we'll set these aside and get started on our scampi. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients for the scampi. Here I'll be using linguine pasta, but you can also use spaghetti. I have here some Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, I'll be using tomatoes, parsley, I have butter, garlic, white wine, lemon juice, all-purpose seasoning, sazon seasoning, black pepper, and some complete seasoning. First things first, we're going to boil our pasta. Here I will add some seasoned salt, but you can add regular salt if you like. We'll add the pasta in here and we'll let it cook for about 10 minutes. In a preheated pot, I'll add my butter and allow it to melt. Once the butter has melted, we'll then add our garlic and tomatoes. We'll allow them to go for about 2 minutes. Now we'll add our lemon juice, white wine, and seasonings. Then we will add a touch of heavy cream here just to add some creaminess to the pasta. We don't want a lot of it because we are not making Alfredo, but just a little will give the pasta a nice creaminess that will be tasting amazing. Then we'll add our cheese and we'll let it all simmer on low heat for about 2 minutes. Lastly, we'll add some fresh parsley, then we'll add our noodles here. We'll mix until well combined, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is a great dinner idea, guys. I promise if you try the recipe, you will not be disappointed. Now I will plate it all up and I'll be back with the finished product. So this is how I make a super delicious crab cake scampi. My entire family enjoyed this, guys. It was absolutely amazing. It is great for a dinner idea if you're trying to impress someone and you want something different apart from steaks, chicken, and all that stuff. This one is perfect. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!